Okay guys, so after I talk with my friend here, so we're gonna just run the line. Remember, I have to cut the bit a little bit. Alright, so we got the quarter glass in. Remember, you make a couple of turns here and you can hold it, and that's all you need to do. So now let's get the drill somewhere here, and let's start cutting. If you want, you can just put the line on the suction cup, or you can hold the line, and that's all. So it's not a big deal. What I do is just turn a little my fingers. It's not gonna pull, it's not gonna hurt, nothing. And you start pulling, okay? Oh, sorry about that. Very careful right there, or you're gonna snap the line. Either this guy. That's in. Now remember, we gotta make sure the corner is not catching the encapsulator. So you see the lines coming in. Let's see, I think it's too bright. But you see the line in there, okay? That's because you need to hold this guy tight. There you go. That's the clip. And that's it. Okay. And you got the quarter glass out. So as you see, I was catching the clip together with the protector over here. That's why I feel a lot of resistance. That's because it was inside. There you go. Alright. So as you see, I didn't make any damage, just the rubber, and you can just put it back on, okay? And that's all. So we cut them out, no problem. Sometimes what I like to do is, if you want to just get the suction cup on top of this guy, you can go, I like sometimes do this. Stay on the top. Okay guys, so you see there's no damage. When you have to be careful with this guy, because sometimes your line catch this guy, is a problem. But after that, you know, we broke the clips, cut a little piece of the peel, go inside. If the interior is no damage, it's completely clean, and that's it. Okay guys, let me show you. So all is clean, no damage. So we got everything ready. The glass too, no damage, all is clean. We got the clip saved, so we can reuse it. Okay guys, so thank you so much, and see you next time with more videos. And we're gonna set this glass next time. Well, sometimes we're gonna make something like, we can add something like this. Sounds good, sounds good. But nah, it's too much. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you next time, okay? Thank you. I got more work to do.